Levi was a terrific instructor. I'm surprised how much I learned going in there about not only epoxy, but running a good business and good business practice, takes care of his customers. We have been looking for like a countertop solution for a long time. We tried a paint your own countertop product and it was failing and peeling and stuff. So I was looking at epoxy, and we had a white countertop on there, and it looked funny with my backsplash, and I loved my backsplash. And so we were looking at it, and then we had the copper lights, and there was a lot of copper in the backsplash, and so that's a color that I'm really happy with, and I couldn't have gotten that in like a natural stone or anything. So I looked at a lot of different granites, and the pattern of it almost was not right with what we were looking for. It was easier than I expected. I think the prep work was more than I had expected, but if you do that, then the rest of it goes very smoothly and it just kind of flows, and it's something that you can almost see what to do next. Like if you're not 100% sure what to do next in the process, once you've gone to the class, then it kind of flows and is a very natural process. The color is beautiful. It's so pretty. It matches my backsplash so well. And it's really a hard, strong countertop. And we have heavy use in our kitchen with the 3 kids and a lot of cooking and stuff. So it's a nice, strong product, and it's so pretty. It's better than any granite that I've seen or any of those colors. The color scheme wouldn't work. So this color is really pretty. I'm I'm actually probably gonna do our entire floor in the kitchen and living room. We took out a wall recently, and so we want to tie it all together so that it's all, you know, all finished. And again, heavy use with the kids, and you know, we have some pets and things like that. So we want to do the flooring, and then also we would like to do a bathroom countertop too, that I'm excited to try.